Welcome back to The Lost Digit. Today we have two, not one, but two 740i's from the model year 2020. So this is the G11 Facelift model, and I want to thank Clutch Auto Deals for letting us, videotape and give an overview of these vehicles. If you're interested in leasing a BMW or even other cars at a great price, reach out to Clutch Auto Deals on Instagram and they'll take care of whatever it is you need. So these 740s as well as others are all available, and all you have to do is just message them and they'll take care of you. So what I want to show here is this is the facelifted model, and these are the 2020 year cars. And if we want to look at what kind of options they have, so these are mineral white metallic luxury trim. They are not M Sport, but they're absolutely beautiful. They're very smooth, and driving them is really pleasurable. One of them does have massage seats, while the other one doesn't. The first one here that we're going to look at has the cold weather package as well as the premium package. And the premium package has the power rear sunshades as well as the rear side window shades. They have the heads-up display and many other features. The wheels that you see are BMW individual wheels, so these are the V spoke style, and they look great in person. They also have the BMW logo that stays vertical on the rim when you're driving. Of course, they have ambient lighting, automatic high beams, and all these other features, as well as CarPlay that most modern BMWs have. The car itself is just phenomenal. So looking at the seats, they have those luxury seats that are very plush. It also has the live cockpit, and you can also save the seat settings for not only the driver but also for the passengers. So if we look at this other one now, this has even more options. This one is the one that has the massage seats. So this one has the mocha leather here, as you can see, while the other one is black. If you look at the steering wheel, it has wood in the steering wheel, which is a very nice touch, and it feels great when you drive. If you look at the side here at the door, you'll see where that massage setting is. So the most right button is the massage seat setting, and this is a very subtle massage, and it kind of just comes in from under and behind you and just slowly kneads away as you drive, and it's very nice, very comfortable. The back is interesting. So if you see here, it has wood as well as ambient lighting, and then it also has sunshades on the back and the sides, and you can control the rear moonroof shade from the door. You have climate controls, basically anything you need, as well as ashtrays. So this car is really nice. Something I really liked about both of these is that the doors hold whatever position you put them in. So if you just open it a little bit, it just holds. And when you shut it, you don't have to slam it, so it automatically just pulls the door in and locks it by itself. You have these mirrors that you would only have in most cars in the front. You also have them in the back here. And that's about it. So if you like these cars, be sure to reach out to Clutch Auto Deals. And if you have any questions about them, please do let me know in the comments below, and I'll try to answer them as best as possible. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Be sure to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.